Welcome to the Augmentt Minute, the web series where we show you tips and tricks on how to use the Augmentt solution in 1 minute. Let's dive into integrating with Google Workspace. In your Augmentt dashboard, navigate to Configuration and then Integrations. Click on the Sign In with Google button in the Google Workspace box. Enter your Google Workspace admin credentials. Check the boxes to allow Augmentt to access the different components in the Google Workspace environment, and click Continue. After the integration has connected, you can navigate back to the Integrations tab in Augmentt to make sure it was successful. You can also click on the Employees tab to make sure that the employees from your Google environment have populated in your Augmentt tenant. If you are using Engage, you can now manage your Google Workspace users. That's my minute. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.